Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on maintaining the Dyson HS hairdryer. Proper maintenance not only extends the life of your device but also enhances its performance. Let's dive into the essential steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a soft microfiber cloth, a small Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and isopropyl alcohol. These items will help you perform a thorough cleaning and maintenance check. 1. Unplug the device, safety first. Make sure your Dyson HS hairdryer is unplugged before you start any maintenance work. 2. Remove the filter. Locate the filter cover at the back of the dryer. Use your Phillips screwdriver to gently unscrew the filter cover. Take care not to strip the screws. If you find it difficult to remove, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can consult an expert without any pressure. 3. Clean the filter. Once the filter is removed, use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. If it's particularly dirty, dampen your microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe it clean. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching. 4. Inspect the heating element. With the filter off, visually check the heating element for any buildup. If you notice any lint or hair, carefully use the compressed air again to clear it out. This step is crucial as overheating can damage the dryer. If this seems too complex, don't forget we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. 5. Reassemble the filter. Once everything is clean and dry, reattach the filter cover. Make sure it is securely fastened, but don't over-tighten the screws, as this may cause damage. 6. Exterior cleaning. Wipe down the exterior of the dryer with a damp cloth. Avoid using any harsh chemicals, as these can damage the finish. A simple solution of water and mild soap will suffice. 7. Check the cord. Inspect the power cord for any signs of wear or fraying. If you notice any damage, it's best to consult a professional. If you prefer not to travel, remember, we can help with no calls and no travel involved. 8. Test the dryer. Plug the dryer back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises and ensure it heats properly. If something seems off, reach out for a quote before repair. Regular maintenance of your Dyson HS hairdryer will keep it functioning at its best. By following these steps, you can ensure a long lifespan for your device. If you encounter any issues or prefer professional help, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, we are here to make the process as easy as possible for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.